This is another story, crypto related. Crypto whale abruptly drains wallet, moving $615 million in Bitcoin in a single transaction. This is both incredible and somewhat scary as well. The speed at which tremendously large sums of value can be moved around. I mean, that's the promise of Bitcoin, right? Oh, you want to move 615 million in an instant with a small transaction fee? Bitcoin. That's what happened here. So the other thing is it's all on the ledger. So people come in and try to speculate. Wait a sec, what's going on? That's some big funds.
And everyone can see it.
Everyone can see it, but they just can't see. They just don't know who to who. Yeah. It's anonymous.
They can see the transaction.
But you see the transaction took place. And this is two things. Okay, so first, the technology, incredible. You move this tremendous amount of money quickly for a low fee. Okay, that's awesome. Huge vote for Bitcoin. But on the flip side, it brings into question the amount of value of Bitcoin held by just a small number of individuals. If just one, and it might be a group, you don't know, but if one person presumably can move 615 million or more than $500 million in an instant, then presumably they could also pull it out. And then that breeds some level of fear in the fact that prices could be swayed drastically by people selling it off. It appears to be that there's some sort of a threshold at the $30,000 price point right now that people are investors or whoever, speculators, people are comfortable at $30,000 and they're buying at $30,000. Today's rate, or the rate of the moment, 35,000 compared to USD. But either way, you want to know the transaction fee, Willie, do for this enormous movement right here?
What's that?
This was 17,473 BTC worth $615 million. The fee was $3 to move that money. Ladies and gentlemen.
That's nice.
Incroyable. You know what language that is?
French?
Well done, Willie. Do.